So in this video, we are going to learn how to work with the push-pull tool in different ways. Using the push-pull tool is actually quite easy. You can create different shapes with it. So now let's go further with these two geometries which we have created. So now let's select the push-pull tool from the large toolbar set or use P as a short key. For now, let's just create a box without using the precise measurements. Click again on the face and there we have it. As always, you can use the space key to end the tool. Now let's look at another feature of the push-pull tool which you can use to create same height objects very quickly. So for example, you want this cylinder right here to have the same height as this box right here. In order to do that, hover your cursor over this face right here while push-pulling it upwards and then click on this face. So in this way, you can create same height objects very quickly. Now let's undo this all. You can use Ctrl Z if you're on a PC or Command Z if you're on a Mac. And now let's learn how we can use the precise push-pull. In order to do that, just push-pull this upwards, enter a value of 2 meter, and hit the enter key immediately after entering the value. The next thing we're going to be talking about is creating openings by using the push-pull tool. First, let's make a quick rectangle on this face. And then second, select the push-pull tool and let's just push-pull this inwards. Then just click anywhere on the face to make the opening. So this is the way how you can create openings by using the push-pull tool in SketchUp. You can also use the push-pull tool to remove geometries in SketchUp. Let's just push-pull this inwards and then just click on the face and there we have it. By the way, you cannot create openings on curved faces in SketchUp. For that, you'll actually need extensions. So there's one last feature which I wanted to discuss with you guys, which is called creating a new face. For example, you want to create a new face, but without moving the existing face. In order to do that, you can hit the Ctrl key while push-pulling it upwards. And this will actually give you a completely new face.